Though the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Brahma was accompanied by all the great sages, led by Marichi, and the yogis like Sanandana, but in the presence of the daring effulgence, O King, even Lord Brahma and his associates seemed insane. Please repeat. Shukadev Goswami continues.
Sukadev Goswami continued.
When Lord Brahma,
Lord Brahma
was born of the lotus cloud, saw that the effulgence of
the effulgence of his residence,
Brahmaloka,
Brahmaloka, had been reduced
by the glaring effulgence
by the glaring effulgence
from the torrents
from the torrents
of Lord
Lord
Vamanadeva.
Vamanadeva.
He approached
He approached
the Supreme Personality
his
of Godhead.
personality body.
Lord Brahma
Lord Brahma
was accompanied
was accompanied
by all the great sages,
by all the sages,
headed by Marichi
headed by Marichi,
and the yogis
and by yogis
like Samidana.
like Sanandana.
But in the presence of
in the presence
that
of
glaring
that
effulgence,
glaring effulgence,
O King,
okay,
even Lord Brahma
even Lord Brahma
and his associates,
and his associates still insignificant.
Any purport? Next. Yeah, retranslation. Yeah, retranslation. Still you reach purport.
Among the great personalities who came to worship the lotus feet of the Lord were those who had attained perfection, self-control, and regulatory principles, as well as experts in logic, history, general education, and the Vedic literature known as Kalpe, dealing with old historical incidents. Others were experts in the Vedic chronologies like Brahma Samhita, all the other knowledge in the Vedas, Sama, Yajur, Veda, and Atharva, and also the supplementary Vedic knowledge, Ayurveda, Dhamma Veda, etc. Others were those who had been free of the reactions to creative activities by transcendental knowledge awakened by practice of yoga. And still others were those who had attained residence in Brahmaloka not by ordinary karma but by advanced Vedic knowledge. After devotedly worshipping the upraised lotus feet of the Supreme Lord with oblations of water, Lord Brahma, who was born of lotus emanating from Lord Vishnu's navel, offered prayers to the Lord. पादावने जन पवित्रतया नरेन्द्रा स्वर्गुनि अभो नवसी सापतति विमाशति लोकत्रयं भगवतो विशदेव कीर्तिः Okay, the water from Lord Brahma's command washed the lotus feet of Lord Vamanadeva, who is known as Guru Brahma, the wonderful actor. Thus, that water became so pure that it was transformed into water of the Ganges, which went flowing down from the sky, purifying the three worlds, like a pure flame of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Please repeat. O King,
Okay,
the water from Lord Brahma's command
Lord Brahma's command
washed the lotus feet of Lord Vamanadeva,
washed the lotus feet of Lord Brahma,
who is known as Guru Brahma,
who is known as Lord Brahma,
the wonderful actor.
so it's like
Thus, that water
that water
became so pure that
so pure.
it was transformed into water of the Ganges, which went flowing down from the sky,
Flowing down the sky,
purifying the three worlds,
purifying the three worlds,
like a pure flame
like the pure flame.
of the sweet personality of Godhead.
Purport by this divine grace to days and Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Here we understand that the Ganges began and the water from Lord Brahma's Kamandalu washed the lotus feet of Lord Vamanadeva. But in the fifth canto it is stated that the Ganges began when Vamadeva's left foot appears the covering of the
In
universe,
that,
so that
in
the
the
transcendence
Gangavali
of
Devi.
the ocean
Get the diary.
leads
I'll
to-
read some glorification.
And elsewhere, it also stated that Lord Narayana appeared as the water of the Ganges. The water of the Ganges, therefore, is a combination of
Do
three
this.
transcendental waters,
Get the diary.
and thus the Ganges is able to purify the three worlds. This is the description given by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur.
Hare Krishna. Hey Allah. I'm fine. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakya Chakshurmritamena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo Vishwapadaya Krishna Prasad Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Charane Nirvishesha Shundavadi Pasha Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Shri Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Shri Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Okay, so today is some discussion. Just give 1 minute. Yeah. So today is interesting discussion of Vamana's super prowess. Vamana is called Urukrama. Urukrama means his activities are very glorious. Krama means steps. He makes a very big step. Urukrama. That's the name of Vamana. Many people say this person is God, that person is God, but his steps are like us only. Let him take one step here and second step, let him break the covering of the universe. That's what Vaman Deva is doing. And something very interesting is that the spiritual world is outside the material world. Just like material world is a jail. So outside the jail is the city. Any direction you go, outside the jail is the city. Similarly, any direction you can stretch your leg, you will break the covering, the boundary of the jail. You will see the city outside. So from the city, from the spiritual world, some water came in. That's the Ganges. And Vamandeva asked Bali Maharaj, give me 3 steps of land. In 2 steps, he covered everything. And the second step, he broke the covering of the universe. And there is a way 3 explanations are given for Ganges. Number 1 is that it is the water from the spiritual world which is coming down to the material world. Therefore, Ganges is a very special river. Welcome. And second thing is, therefore Ganges is a very special river, number 1. And number 2 is, when Brahma saw the beautiful lotus feet of the Lord coming, a massive, chota bota nahi ho gaya tha. We just conceive how big it must be. You are sitting on this planet, just like we see something moon rising, you can see a huge leg just going up, 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 even going beyond Brahmaloka. Brahma is also within this jail only. When he sees this leg going, Brahma is a powerful person. He takes his kamandalu and he knows that's my Lord. It's not on. Oh, please, why don't you delete before starting? Oh my God. Why don't you empty it? Just give me 1 minute. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna more all Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Dr. Sharvanam, Hare Krishna, how are you? I muted you. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yeah, how are you? Fine.
I'm fine, Prabhu. Prabhu, actually, in my the same ID, actually, I asked my wife to attend this class every day. So she may be logging with the same name, Prabhu. She's also with me now.
Okay. Other day she will log in. Okay. Welcome. Okay, I'll mute you now so that I start the class. Okay, so today is a discussion of the descent of Bhagavatam, descent of Ganges. So Vamanadeva asked only 2 steps of land, everybody knows, and in second step he covered everything, but something which people do not know. He broke the covering of the universe in the second step, which is extraordinary. And this covering of the universe is not small. As much as the diameter of the universe, the first boundary of the universe is equal to that. And the second one is 10 times of that. The third covering is 10 times of that. So earth, water, fire, ether, which is the Panchabhuta, the metal world, these coverings are each coming 10 times. It's quite thick, the covering. So covering the universe was one part. More than that, really breaking through the universe, as per the Vedic cosmology. But he did it with their ease, because Lord does many things. He's having fun. We discussed that. Actually, both are having fun. We are in great anxiety. What is going to happen? Sab chala gaya. Bali Maharaj is not in that anxiety. He is enjoying. The Lord is standing in front. He is in ecstasy. The demons are in great anxiety. Kya ho gaya? Sab chala gaya. Their intention, they're going to fight now, and they will be defeated. And but Lord is happy, is smiling, and Bali Maharaj is also happy and smiling. You see, Srila Prabhupada also, this whole moment, so much struggle. He was in ecstasy and Krishna was in ecstasy. But all is well wishes. Kya ho raha hai? Itna saal ho gaya, kuch shuru nahi hua, akela ghum raha road, you know. Many times when Prabhupada was later asked by devotees that must have been very difficult, you know, all those days you are alone. No, Krishna kept me very careful. Actually, it is true. One side, it is true that pure devotee never talks about his difficulty. If somebody talks about it, he's not a great man. He keeps it. You know, he doesn't want to glorify himself. Actually, Prabhupada could have talked about that. That is discovered later. He never talked about his difficult times. He was roaming on the roads alone and the bull is hitting him. All the very, very difficult times the Prabhupada went through were not revealed. They were kept secret. But what is very interesting is that we can meditate on them and to become serious. But a pure devotee actually feels ecstasy in every moment. Every moment is Vaikuntha for him. Purna Amrit Aswadana. Every moment is nectar. It is said, for him this world is Vaikuntha. There is one more shloka. Kaivalam Narakayate Tirthashpura Akash Pushvayate Durdant India Kala Sarva Potakatum Sa Vishwam Purna Sukayate. For a pure devotee, you receive mercy of Lord Chaitanya. This whole world is full of happiness. For us, this world is full of trouble, anxiety. So Bali Maharaj, even though total reverse is happening, very huge. He's in Vishwam Purna Sukayate Ananda. And Vamanadeva is also in. He's not thinking, I'm making my devotee bankrupt. Nothing. They're having fun. But the people are in trouble are other people because they are not transcendental. Both of them are transcendental. Because they are transcendental, Bali Maharaj is totally unconscious of whole property being taken away. He is being defamed in public. Just imagine, this is too much. I think gross is just subtle hota hai. Chalo tum dhando le lo, bejati nahi karo. Sometimes just to save grace, people are ready to put any amount of money. Sometimes somebody happened, somebody, just to save the name of the family, we are ready to offer everything. Correct? And he not only all property is taken away, grossly, subtly, he's being insulted. He's being shouted. Vamandeva is taking a role. Where is the place for the third step? You are a liar. You said 3 steps. You said you'll give me 3 steps. Where is the third step? He's pushing him. And Bali Maharaj is thinking, third step? Third step? How to give my Lord third step? And then he offers his life. My Lord, you can put the third step on my head. He offers his life and conquers Lord's heart. But to separate. But the point is that Lord got him arrested because he has not fulfilled his promise. And his army came to protect him. And the Lords, Nanda, Sunanda, Jai, Vijay, all just smashed them through. And they were told, Bali Maharaj, go to hell. That's not the place for you. Go down to lower planetary systems. And then he's helpless, alone now. Army has been taken away. All wealth has been taken away. And then now he's being insulted in front of everybody. You shameless man. You're a liar. You're a cheat. You said third step. Where is third step? And his head is down. And he's tied with the ropes of Varuna. He has been arrested now. Just imagine. And anybody will thinking, suppose any relative well-wisher, Bali Maharaj, isko to kya ho gaya? Ye to badi mushkil mein aa gaya. Are isko koi bachao. But Bali Maharaj is in ecstasy. And Lord Vamana is also in ecstasy. Both are exchanging loving dealings, Both are having full faith. At no stage, Bali Maharaj said, ye kya ho raha bhai? Main sabko de diya aise kyun bejat kar rahe ho mere ko? He could have said that. No, not at all. Not at all. Now, Lord Brahma will come. My Lord, this is too much. We give you a tulsi leaf, you are totally satisfied, and this person has offered whole universe with love, and you are still angry at him, And his wife will come. So many people are coming, and wife will scold. The Bali Maharaj my husband was a fool. He was thinking whole universe belongs to him. And the same thing is certified of Prahlad Maharaj. Because in my grandson, there was the element of pride. I know why you've done this, my Lord. It's like Indra. See, Krishna deals with devotees very carefully. The karma is a different issue. Krishna does kala, karma to take care. Indra, Krishna was so careful with Indra. He did not hit him. Similarly, Bali Maharaj got very proud. He conquered the universe. Okay, Indra's mother, Aditi, asked, but Krishna is not going to touch somebody just because of somebody. Here, some work had to be done. So Krishna did many things together. So he had to do something to take away his pride. The Krishna did so much drama, you see. He is one side trying to see that he does not take away anything which is blessed by Shukracharya. Is at the same time his devotee Bali Maharaj without harming him in any way. He wants to correct him. Any other demon, he would have killed him. He didn't do that. It's very careful. When the devotee is involved, it's very, very, very careful. I remember we were part of a big temple sometimes, and the small things used to be hours of discussion, how to deal with it, because the devotee is involved. Karmi we can koi bol do usko chat. Devotee kaun bola yaar usko tu bol nahi. You have to be very careful what to do. The devotee is dear to the Lord. How to do it? So Bali Maharaj, Vamandeva could have just come and killed him. Sudarshan had taken the problem. No, it's my devotee. Yes, he's proud, just like Indra. How much devastation he caused, he could have been killed by the Lord. He didn't do that. Think, how do I correct him? And he had to lift a mountain, all the drama of a mountain, and the protection, and then brought his pride down. So similarly, he thought, I'm a great man. Lord Vamandeva said, see what is great. 2 steps he covered the universe. Similarly, recently I was reading about Bali. There is a Bali, there is one Bali. Bali also, we were discussing that why is it that Bali took over the Bali को भगवान राम ने मारा था ना बाण, तो बहुत लोग प्रश्न पूछते हैं ऐसा क्यों किया. बाली का भी यही था, बहुत घमंड आ गया था उसका. बाली इंद्र का बेटा है, छोटा मोटा आदमी नहीं है वो भी, और बहुत शक्तिशाली है, बहुत शक्तिशाली, इतना शक्तिशाली था. वो ब्रह्मा को तपस करके एक आशीर्वाद ले लिया था कि वो जिससे भी लड़ेगा उसका 50% शक्ति उसको मिल जाएगी, तो उससे कोई लड़ ही नहीं सकता. यहाँ तक रावण से एक बार युद्ध हुआ और रावण को उसने इतना मारा, उसके बाद अपने इसके नीचे रखा 1-2 साल तक, जहां भी जाता चल मेरे साथ चल, तो ऐसे पकड़ के रखा, मतलब उसको प्रिजनर बना दिया, बेइज्जती कर दिया था रावण की. फिर उसको छोड़ दिया था उसने. तभी जब उसको बाण मारा तो राम को पूछा कि तुम क्यों मारा. वो रावण के लिए, अरे मैं लिया था उसको पकड़ के, वो तो मेरे ऐसे ही पकड़ा था बहुत टाइम तक, उसके लिए इतना नाटक. Anyway, but there was a reason. Then Lord Ram explains him why did he. And the main thing was that when he sees a beautiful face, वो actually भगवान का बहुत बड़ा भक्त है, थोड़ा अहंकार आ गया था, इसलिए अपने भाई को बेमतलब में उसने आरोप लगाया था। उसके भाई ने, भाई विभीषण का कुछ, भाई कौन उसका, सुग्रीव, सुग्रीव का उससे कुछ मतलब द्वंद नहीं था। सुग्रीव उसका अच्छा भाई था, छोटे, और सुग्रीव ने उसको ऑफर किया था पूरी जिंदगी में आपकी सेवा करूंगा, आप मेरे को गलत समझ रहे हो, लेकिन नहीं, तुमने जबरदस्ती मतलब मेरा केव का जो 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 भी स्टोरी था, तुमने जबरदस्ती मेरे को धोखा दिया, ये किया वो किया, बड़ा स्टोरी है। और सुग्रीव को करके उसने उसका पूरा उसको पद से हटाया, उसकी बीवी को जबरदस्ती खींच के ले लिया और उसको बेइज्जत किया, मतलब बेमतलब पीटा, उसकी मारी पिटाई भी करी उसकी बेमतलब, जबकि उसके दिल में कोई भेद। तो उसने बोला देखो तुमने अपराध तो किया, किसी का बीवी लोगे, किसी को बेमतलब में पब्लिक में पिटाई करोगे तो मृत्युदंड तो मिलेगा ही आपको, और मैं राजा नहीं हूँ, मानता हूँ भरत मारा राजा है, मैं उसका आदमी हूँ, एक चीज। तो फिर छुप क्यों मारा, तू बंदर है ना, बंदर को तो हंटिंग होता ही ऐसे है, तो मनुष्य थोड़ी है, बंदर के वेश होता ना, तो बंदर को तो क्षत्रिय लोग हंटिंग करते हैं ना, है ना, बंदर को तो शिकार बनाया जाता है, बंदर मनुष्य थोड़ी आजा युद्ध में तलवार लेके, वो तो बंदर है, तो बंदर को तो शिकार होता ही है। तो लेकिन ये सब जब सुन रहा था भगवान राम से, वो भगवान राम का सुंदर चेहरा देख रहा था, वैसे तो भक्त था दिल में, अब उसके दिल में भक्ति जागृत हो गया, और दूसरा भगवान के बाण से भी उसका अहंकार नष्ट हो गया, क्योंकि वो उतना शक्तिशाली बाण वो सोच भी नहीं सकता था। जस्ट उसके कुछ टाइम पहले भगवान ने उसको बहुत शक्तियां दिखाया था, सुग्रीव को भी, सुग्रीव को डर लग रहा था बाली से कौन लड़ सकता है, तो भगवान ने उसको कुछ अपनी शक्ति का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिया था। और उसके पहले वो जो लीला में जो कितने हजारों 60,000 ऐसे कुछ, जो उसके रावण का एक बेटा था जो वहां पे था, खरा खरा नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो जो यहाँ पे सीता को अपहरण होने के पहले वो उसकी वो सुपर्णखा को मारा था, तो सुपर्णखा वहां कुछ राक्षसों के लेके आई थी, और रावण का भी बेटा था शायद उसमें, वो हजारों सैनिक लेके आया था। नहीं 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 यार, वो तो लंका में है इधर। तो उधर भगवान राम ने एक बाण से सबको एक बाण से नष्ट किया था, सारे दानवों को एक बाण से, और शक्तिशाली बाण, तो उनकी शक्ति बहुत असीम थी। तो जब उनका बाण उसको पट लगा ना, उसका घमंड भी चूर हो गया। I was just explaining the Bali, why did Lord Rama took an action like that on Bali. So anyway, so this happens, and then the principle is that because pride is involved, because Bali Maharaj had become proud, the Lord had to do so much design. Just in the case of Indra, so much drama was done to correct him. Lord had to do so many things. He could have directly corrected, but his devotees involved. He didn't punish him, he didn't touch him. Krishna did not throw an arrow at Indra, just imagine. Lovingly he corrected his dear devotee. He had become a little proud by lifting him, taking so much trouble. Just to lift a mountain, there was no need. Krishna would have sown Sudarshana and just finished off Indra. इंद्र को तो एक सुदर्शन से नष्ट कर सकते थे, अरे मेरा भक्त है, उसको कितना नाटक करना पड़ा भगवान को उसको सुधारने के लिए। एक माउंटेन उठाया था, घमंड कम हुआ, ठीक है मेरे भगवान, है ना। द सेम बाली ऑल्सो बेमतलब में घमंड करके मतलब गड़बड़ कर दिया था, है ना, उसको भी नष्ट कर सकते थे, ठीक है ना, लेकिन उसको बाण तो मारा, लेकिन उसको भक्ति दे दिया। Krishna had to do things in a way to correct. So similarly now is coming as Bali Maharaj. Krishna is correcting him in a very way so that his devotee comes on the right track. In fact, when Bali was leaving the body, at that time उसके पास एक मोती का हार होता है, तो वो अपना मोती का हार किसी को भी दे सकता है। I think Sunday we discussed this. He could have expected to give to Angada. He gave to Sugriva. So उसके दिल में कोई द्वेष नहीं बचा था सुग्रीव। And then he told Angad की उसकी सेवा करो सुग्रीव की। Then he called his wife. He said, "You are helpless now. You also become wife of Sugriva." He offers his wife also. Yeah, better. So everything he offers to Sugriva, and he offers wonderful prayers and he leaves the world without any regret. And he says, "This is fortune to die like this." So the Lord totally corrected him. बंदर के जानवरों में ऐसी होता है, हम लोग अपनी वाइफ बंदरों का जानवर, बंदरों का धर्म अलग है, Now, next thing comes in the case of Bali Maharaj. He also become a little proud. He's so rich, proud. Take what 3 steps? I can give you more. I can give you a planet. There was some kind of sense of pride. The devotee should always know whatever he has, it belongs to Krishna. That's what the Vidyavali detects. Vidyavali will come when he's arrested. My husband thought the word belongs to him. He is also intelligent. But it's not ordinary. वो इतने बड़े आदमी की बीवी है इंटेलिजेंट. We discussed that Ravana's wife was also very intelligent. जब रावण का मृत्यु होता है, रावण का बीवी भी बहुत बुद्धिमान शब्द बोलते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है. इनके वाइफ्स मंदोदरी, she speaks very intelligent. मेरे पति क्या कर दिया आपने? क्योंकि उसने बहुत बारी अपने पति को बोला होता है, सीता को छोड़ दो, मूर्ख, सीता को छोड़ दो तुम, मेरे नाथ सीता को छोड़ दो, बड़ी मुश्किल में आप फंस रहे हो. But anyway, he proceeded and मर गया. So then she went to him and he said, you have made your body fit to go to hell, made your soul fit to go to hell, and body fit to be eaten of vultures. तुम्हारी आत्मा अभी नरक जाने के लिए रेडी है और तुम्हारा शरीर अभी कबूतर खाएंगे. Eagle खाएंगे. So here also Bali Maharaj's wife is very intelligent and she detects that actually, yes, my dear husband, you have made a very big mistake. You have thought the word belongs to you. So this is the devotees should be very careful. Actually, I was thinking I'll talk about Ganges, maybe I'll talk tomorrow. The devotees should be very careful about pride. Pride comes, why does the pride comes basically? Pride comes because of sense gratification. Pride is nothing but subtle sense gratification. Hey, get up, go there. It's also enjoyment, subtle. एक होता है sex desire gross, one is sex desire subtle. Sex gross होता है, subtle होता है. Basically, sex का मतलब है to enjoy living it. Correct? That's the subtle. You hold hand like, I want to enjoy. That's the basic enjoyment. There's no love. There's only lust. So same way, when I'm controlling somebody, it's a subtle form of enjoyment. Same thing. Controlling somebody. Get up. You should listen to me. That is sex desire one. That is sex desire. Subtle. Gross, subtle. What do you say? Make sense?
This said that the power, the power is more sweet than money.
Yes. No, not only that. When a wife is submissive, she may not be beautiful. She's very attracted to the husband. The main thing is not the beauty. Main thing is controlling and enjoying. He says, move, and she runs. He enjoys. Actually, that is main enjoyment, not the body, not the beauty. The wife, his Prabhupada used to say to his devotees, if all the girls are submissive, they are chaste to the husband, and they know how to cook. I can get them a good husband. Prabhupada used to laugh because he had brahmacharini ashram and the rest. So the girls were, for marriage age, the Prabhupada used to say, 2 things they should know. How to be very chaste to the husband, and they should know how to cook. Today, both the things they don't know. Many girls, they say, I'm getting married. Yeah, okay. Do you know how to cook? Nahi. As first he learned that, and the second thing is to be chaste to the husband. They're already, is hero se attachment hota, us hero se, and wohi nahi, wo to minimum damage. They already had in the school and college time so many infatuations, and sometimes boyfriends also, sometimes just infatuation. So much. So the mind is not, cannot be fixed. Vedic time it was wonderful. Before the girl gets puberty, they fix the mind on a husband over. And Prabhupada says the first person that enters the heart will never go. That will remain. That will remain. So that it is utilized, Just like बचपन में किसी को आप अगर respect करते हो तो कभी नहीं बोलते. Childhood days are never forgotten, So that was dovetailing very nicely. Anyway, so this goes on. So therefore, that's very, the lesson is that Krishna took great care to correct his devotee Indra because there was pride. Krishna took great care to correct Bali because there was pride, and very carefully corrected him. He did not just kill him. He was in front of him. He guided him, and finally Bali surrendered. And same way Krishna took very great care in Bali Maharaj's case also, gently correcting him. You know? And you see that. He had not touched him, but this is not easy. Taken away the whole universe from his hand, and they publicly arrested him, scolded him, he killed his demons, did not kill him. All these
Demons.
all his associates, many of his associates came to fight. They thought because the Bali Maharaj is taken oath of the yagna, so it's not, house worship is happening. You don't lift weapons at that time. He's, under oath, so maybe he's not there for lifting weapons, but we at least try to protect him. Everything is gone already. Now he's getting insulted, so they took weapons to protect their leader, which is quite obvious to be done. But Nanda, Sunanda, Jaya Vijay, Lord associates had come already from Vaikuntha. And why they needed Vamana there? Lord is complete. In Narsimha Deva also, if he wants, he can alone kill everybody. But anyway, the associates killed everybody. Not everybody, they started killing. And seeing that there is basically a losing war, he says, why the time is against us? You all hide now. You go back to your places. So I think they went to the Tala, Vitala, Patala, all different planets, the demons stay. And then Bali Maharaj is here. And the Vamanadeva says, you cannot give that first step, go to hell. And the hell is Sutala, which he has created already by Vishwakarma, better than Indraloka. The Lord seemingly cursed him to a life of, and there, if Krishna becomes doorkeeper of somebody, it's favor, no? So he has to, how can he be partial? If he's your doorkeeper, he should be, if he's Bali Maharaj's doorkeeper, he should be your doorkeeper also. No, he showed you cannot do this. Correct? He showed you cannot do this. The Bali Maharaj, what he did, we cannot do that. Can we do this? No. So Krishna gave a special favor to Bali Maharaj, but it deserved. That is the point. We don't deserve. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Hare Krishna, Dr. Sarvana. You can unmute now.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, yes, you are his wife.
Yeah, I'm Banu.
So you didn't come that time when.
Yeah, I came. I came, Prabhu, with my Prabhu and Ponnambala Prabhu and with my two kids.
Correct. Then when are you coming again?
We are planning, Prabhu, but actually Ponnambala Prabhu is in Mayapur, so once he comes.
No, you can come with him also. Before that also you can come. What is there?
Okay, Prabhu, sure. We will come, Prabhu.
Please come. Okay? Always welcome whenever you get on holidays.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. And you are also practicing doctor or you at home?
No, Prabhu, I am just a MPhil biotechnology, but I am right now I am housewife.
Okay. Please welcome. Okay? Plan and come. Okay. I do not know. Bangalore also have a lot of work, but somehow not able to go now. I think so.
You can visit, Prabhu, no problem, anytime.
No, your place is very, very far away. Yes, but anyway, so you people please visit, okay? Plan and
definitely, Prabhu.
if I come to Bangalore, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Hello, this is good now. This is daily we have. Actually, I should do early because a lot of people want to attend. They say if it is 7:45, we all can join because they have to go to office at 9, correct?
Okay, Prabhu.
5 to 8:15 is my target, but always becomes 8, 8:10.
Okay, Prabhu. 8:15 is fine, Prabhu.
Yeah. We'll try to make it early, but no problem.
Okay, Prabhu.
Okay. We will get the message like you got today, no?
I got message.
5-10 minutes only up and down because we wait for the morning program to get over. The class.
Okay, Prabhu. Yeah, I got the message today.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.